Do you usually throw away plastic baskets? Or have you tried turning one into something new? Hello everyone. Today, stay with me, and you will see how this old plastic basket can become something useful again, with simple tools and clear steps. This project is easy to follow and worth your time. Place a piece of cardboard on the bottom of the plastic basket. Use a marker and trace the shape of the base. Now, cut along the line and round off the four corners. This helps the cardboard sit flat inside the basket. Set the piece into the bottom and press it down gently. Check that it fits tight and does not shift. This layer creates a clean and solid base for the next steps. Cut a thin plastic strip about 3 centimeters wide. This strip will become a support ring inside the basket. Place it along the inner wall and slowly bend it around the shape. Make sure it follows the curve without gaps. Use hot glue to fix the strip in place. Press it firmly until the glue sets. Work your way around the basket, section by section. When finished, the plastic ring should feel solid and smooth. This ring helps hold the structure steady in the next steps. Take 3 pieces of cardboard, each about 16 centimeters wide. These will create the textured surface inside the basket. Spray clean water onto the surface of one piece. Let it soak for a moment. Then slowly peel off the outer smooth layer. You will see the paper ribs underneath. These ribs help the cement hold better later. Do the same for the other 2 pieces. Work gently so the ribs stay intact. Place the first piece inside the basket, against the plastic ring. Use hot glue and press it firmly into place. Make sure the ribs face outward toward the wall. Continue with the next pieces until the inner wall is fully lined. Check that everything sits tight and follows the curve. This step creates strong grooves that help the cement bond evenly and stay in place. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. Now prepare the bonding mixture using styrofoam and acetone. Pour a small amount of acetone into a glass cup. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep the cup away from open flame. Break the styrofoam into small pieces and add them slowly into the acetone. Stir gently as you go. You will see the foam melt and turn into a thick, sticky liquid. Stop adding foam when the mixture becomes heavy but still spreadable. Take a brush and apply this mixture into the cardboard grooves inside the basket. Work slowly and cover every rib. This layer seals the surface and strengthens the structure. Place a rectangular cardboard box in the center of the basket. Use hot glue to fix it in place. Leave a clear gap between the box and the grooved wall. This space will be filled with cement later and forms the body of the planter. Pour clean sand into the cardboard box in the center. Fill it all the way to the top so it stays firm. Cover the top with 2 small pieces of cardboard. Press them down gently so the sand does not move. This box will keep the inside hollow while you pour the cement. It is time to prepare the concrete mix. Use 2 parts sand and 1 part cement. Pour them into a bucket and mix them dry first so the color looks even. Add clean water slowly while stirring. Keep mixing until the blend becomes smooth and thick, not runny and not dry. This balance matters because it affects the strength of the planter later. Take a paper tube and place it in the center of the box. This tube will form the drainage hole for the planter. Make sure it stands straight and reaches the bottom. Now start pouring the concrete into the gap between the cardboard box and the basket wall. Work slowly and use a stick to push the mix into all corners. Tap the sides lightly so air bubbles can rise out. Add a few pieces of steel wire into the concrete as you go. This reinforcement helps the planter stay strong and resist cracks over time. Continue filling until the concrete reaches the top edge. Level the surface with a small board or flat tool. Set everything aside and let it rest. Do not move it while it begins to harden. This patience now gives you a planter that lasts for years. Prepare the feet for the planter. Take 4 short paper tubes and place them evenly under the base. Insert a small piece of steel into each tube for strength. Make sure all 4 feet are the same height so the planter will sit level. Press them gently into the fresh concrete so they hold in place. Leave everything to rest for 24 hours so the base can fully harden. After 24 hours, the concrete is hard enough to remove the mold. Start by lifting off the plastic basket carefully. Pull out the cardboard box from the center. Then remove the sand and paper bit by bit. Take your time so the edges stay clean. Use a brush and clean water to wash off any remaining dust or paper. Wipe the surface with a cloth and let it dry. Now you can clearly see the shape of the planter. It should feel solid and smooth, ready for the final touches. Place the planter on a clean surface and make sure it is dry. Shake the spray paint well and apply a light. Even coat around the outside. Move your hand slowly so the color stays smooth and does not drip. Let the paint dry. Then add a second thin coat if needed. Once the color is set, place soil inside the planter. Set your plant in the center and fill around it gently. Water it lightly and let it settle into its new home. This old plastic basket has a new life as a solid flower planter. It did not take expensive tools or special materials. It only took time, simple steps, and things already at home. If this project gave you a useful idea, tap the like button so others can find it too. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY projects you can really use at home. And leave a comment telling me what item you want to recycle next.